Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are going to be checking out a few DIY hair tutorials. The first one up is from Veronica. In this clip, she is showing us how to do a bubble ponytail on the top of her head. She is doing two bubble ponytails for this look. It's very trendy, very cute. If you guys haven't already seen that the bubble ponytails are definitely huge for this season, definitely try that trend out if you are looking to shake up your regular hair routine. The next hair tutorial features a high bun. She's showing you how to really slick that bun back, or the hair back rather, by using the Eco Styler gel. This is definitely a great technique if you want to make sure that your bun or your ponytail comes out nice and smooth. You apply the gel, then you brush it in, and then you proceed to put your hair into the ponytail. Very cute, very trendy. She also shows you how to slick back her bangs so that you can't even really tell that she has any. I think that's a very clever technique, and her makeup is absolutely flawless. I think we need to see some type of makeup tutorial or something, because yes. Alright, so moving on, now we are seeing how to get perfect curls at home. She curls her hair with a curling rod first, and then she proceeds to add rollers. This of course is going to keep your curls nice and fresh, and they will come out looking like you just left from the salon, which of course is a look that every girl wants to achieve. Alright, so next up we see Veronica once again. This time she actually has highlights in her hair. Alright, so she's being very smart, and she's using the safety glove while using her curling wand. This is something that I have, but I don't tend to use when I do wand my hair. But she's being smart, so I tend to not reach for mine when I do the wand curls. She also has a bit of a thicker wand. I've seen, like, the kind that I have is very small and slim. So I wonder how my curls would come out if I were to get a thicker wand curl, because her hair looks very soft and fluffy. Alright, so next up we have Sasha, and she's showing us how to curl your hair with the straighteners. Now this is another problem that I kind of have. Like, I cannot curl my hair with the flat iron. I have tried so many times. Look at how perfect that curl is. Like, it is so soft, so smooth. It is just like perfection. So I definitely think that this is something that I need to work on. I think maybe the problem is she's going like really slow to achieve that curl. So maybe if I were to do that, it might come out better. I don't know. Alright, so next up we see someone using the smaller wand curl, and she's doing like really tight curls. Now this is kind of closer to the curling wand that I have, but I think this one is smaller, because it is going to take her or probably took her a really long time to do those curls. But I love the money piece that she has in the front, very pretty. Alright, so next up, I can't pronounce her name, I'm not even going to try, but she is going to be doing another hair tutorial. Looks like this one is going to be a ponytail. So she's also using that brush that she is using, for those of you that don't know, is a great brush for getting your edges. You can buy that off of Amazon. It's actually called an edge brush, and a lot of women use the brushes to they'll use like toothbrushes to actually sweep back their edges, but there's actually edge brushes on Amazon that you can check out and achieve the same thing. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Be sure to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I will talk to you in the next one.